You can make a website like this completely for free using Canva, and in this video I will show how you can do that. Before we begin, let me quickly mention that you don't need any coding or designing skills. Just follow along step by step, and by the end you will have your own live website ready to share. This is one of the easiest ways to design a clean, professional looking website even if you have never built one before. You can see I have already logged into Canva. If you don't have an account, you can just use the first link in the description and create an account here. It only takes a minute or two, and once you sign in, you will have access to thousands of free templates and tools. Click here and search for website. You can see we have multiple website templates here, and all of them look really good. You can scroll through them and select any one that you like. There's something for almost every niche, from portfolios to business websites to landing pages and blogs. If you want to look for templates in a specific category, click here, type your category and select it. You can see the templates have changed based on the type you selected. You can also click on styles and select a particular style for your website. For example, if you want something minimal, colorful or elegant, you can explore those options here. I will keep it to default. I scrolled for a while and this template looks good to me. You can see a preview of the template while hovering, which is really helpful to get an idea of how the final site will look. I will click on it, click customize this template, and now we can make changes here. You can scroll through the design to see how the website template looks right now. Let's say we want to change this image. Click on it once, click here on elements, and then search for the image that you are looking for. You can also upload your own images, but we will see that later. Click here on photos and select an image that you like. I like this one, so I will drag and bring it on top of the original image, and you can see it has been replaced instantly. Canva automatically replaces the images, which is really convenient. You can also change the text. Just double tap on the text and type whatever you want. You can resize the text from here and adjust the font size or color to match your design theme. Let's change the title of this section to About Me. Now let's say you don't like this contact page, or maybe your website template does not have a contact page by default. I will delete this one and show how you can create pages from scratch. Click here on Add Page. Let's go to Text, add a heading and change it to Contact Me. You can click here and select a different font for your text. There are hundreds of fonts to choose from, so take your time and pick one that fits your website style. Let's move to the top. Now we will upload an image from our PC and add it here. Click here on Uploads and click Upload Files and select the image from your PC. You can see our image is uploading. After uploading, just drag and place it anywhere on your page. You can even crop or adjust the image position to make it fit perfectly. Let's add another text box and type socials. You can change the size and place it on the left. If you want to add social media logos or icons, click here on Elements, search for Instagram and then drag it from here. You can resize and place it here. Then, just like we added text, you can add your Insta handle. I followed the same steps and added some more information. I also added a Gmail here, and I think this page can still be improved. So I just looked for random shapes by typing paint and added this one to my scene. To move any object forward or behind, right click on it, go to layer and select a suitable option like send to back in this case. Then I duplicated it and placed it in the corner as well, and you can see this page looks much better than before. This way you can make your own pages or sections from scratch. By following similar steps, I also added a logo here. You can just upload your logo and place it on the website. If you don't have one yet, you can even design a logo directly in Canva before uploading it here. You can also animate the elements on your website. Let's say I want to animate this text. I will select it and click on Animate. We have a few animation styles here. You can hover over them to see how they look and select whether the animation plays on entering the section, exiting, or both. If you scroll below, there are some more animation styles. You can select whichever you like. You can also remove the animations by clicking here. Animations can really make your site look dynamic and engaging if used correctly. Now it is time to see how our website will look after publishing. Click here on Preview and you can see the website. Click here to go to the next section and you can see that we cannot see our other pages, and that is because the navigation menus are not enabled by default. Click here to enable the navigation menu, and now you can click here to go to the different pages. But there is a problem here. You can see the new page that we added is being displayed as page 4. To change it, close the preview, scroll down to the page and click here to change its theme. I will enter contact and click on preview. You can see it has now changed to contact. To see how your website will look on mobile, click on this mobile icon. You can see our website looks pretty good on mobile too. We can go to each section and all of them have been properly restructured to fit in mobile. This is a great feature as it automatically adjusts the layout for smaller screens, saving you a lot of time. Let's close the preview and now it is time to publish our website. But before we do that, let's talk about how you can create even better websites. There are many website creation tools in the market, but the best thing about Canva is it is very simple and also allows you to publish your website for free. You can see that our website looks visually good, but it is still a very basic website. If you want to create more advanced websites completely for free using AI, then you can do that with Wix. I have already made a video on how you can make websites for free using Wix AI. You can watch it from the link in the description. Now, let's get back to publishing our current website. Click here on Publish Website. If you have a custom domain, you can click here and add it. Click here on Settings and we have some settings like Search Engine Visibility, Password Protection, Navigation Menu, Resize on Mobile and Social Media Link Preview. You can enable or disable these settings according to your preferences. Click here on Pages and you can add URLs for each section and also add a short description. The description that you add in the home section here will be visible on browsers and search results, so make sure to keep it clear and descriptive. Let's go back. I will add a site address here. You can see this URL is not available, so I will try changing it. This one is available, so let's click on Publish. You can see our website is being published right now. You can copy this URL and share it with others and click here on View Website to see how it looks. We can scroll through our website. We can also click on the navigation menus to go to the different sections. You can see our website looks really good and we made it all for free and also published it for free. If you want to make any changes in the future, just go back to the design file and click on Edit Design. Canva will instantly sync the changes when you update it. So this was all about how you can build and publish a website for free using Canva. Now, if you want to know how you can build and publish websites using some free AI tools, then you can check these videos right here. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.